English is very good and very fantastic, and your fluency, your accuracy, everything is very good. So whenever you go to your school, so do you talk with your friends, with your teacher in English language?
Yes, yes. Many times I told in video that I study in Hindi medium. All the time I use only English language.
Boyha lay ko sa ama aprum?
Iya aprum do inya nyutum do hina Jadu Kisku.
साराम गाते को जोहार इंग्लिश सुभाष सर हंसदाला यूट्यूब चैनल आतम दारा पे तबे गाते को तेहिया वीडियो दो अडी हाहाड़ा वीडियो और अडी अमेजिंग वीडियो बाबा तेन ले पे तबुना तेहिया वीडियो रे उनकान मिटन बाबू गिदरे बाबा तेन ले पे तबुना जहां दो गाते को सुमुंग 8 क्लास रेन बाबू गिदरे कनाय और जहां दो फराठेदार इंग्लिश रोड दड़ी कनाय आपे उनिया इंग्लिश रोड आंजम गाते हाहाड़ा गे पे बुझवा गाते को सरीगी और उनी नितो मिटन यूट्यूब चैनल हो मेनाते और देश विदेश रेन हर उनी को कॉल करते उनी साथे कोलाबोरेशन वीडियो को बनाए कना और गाते को अड्डी हाहाड़ा कथा दो आरो नोआ जे देश विदेश रेन हर उनी बाबू गिद्रे साथे इंग्लिश ते गालमरा लगिते लाइन को लगावे कना तो गाते को इन उनी साथे गालमराव कना थोड़ा गान इंग्लिश तो होई दड़े इन द मिस्टेक मेना मेनका उनी बाबू गिद्रा इंग्लिश बुन आंजमा तो देला मांग से वीडियो बुन नेला उनारे जहां उनी बाबू गिद्रा तली गालमराव कना और उनी दो अबू संथाल गिद्रा कना गाते को अडी हाहाड़ा ना कथा कना उनी संथाल गिद्रा होई कते मिटन इन बेस्ट फराटेदार इंग्रेजी रोड दड़ी कना नुआ द अबू संथाल समय रे अडी हाहाड़ा साथे अडी गर्व ना कथा कना गाते को तो देला वीडियो मांग से नेलते बुन पे ब्रो आर यू संथाल बॉय
Yes, I'm Santhal. Yes. Bro, I watch your video on YouTube. That you told me Hasta Live. So I visited your channel before a while. Before you calling me that time, I watch your a lot of video.
How are you?
Yeah. I'm also fine.
Where are you from, bro?
I'm from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. What is your name?
My name is Jadu Kisku.
Give me your full address.
Yes. I'm going to give my full address. Yes.
Yes.
So I'm from Jharkhand state. My district name is Sahibganj.
Yes.
So if I will tell about my post office,
Yes.
my post office is also Aprol. And my village is also Aprol, and block is Borio.
What do you
Yes.
do, bro?
Now I'm walking here. I before a while I thought to come out from my home for walking outside. I was waiting for someone else for my friend, but he's not coming here for meeting me. Yes.
Bro, are you Santhal boy?
Yes, I'm Santhal.
Arey yaar, I feel very proud of you, bro. One of Santhal
Yes.
boys so fluently and confidently speak English. I feel really
Yes,
very proud.
Yes. Bro, I watch your video on YouTube. That you told me Hasta Live. So I visited your channel before a while. Before you calling me that time, I watch your a lot of video.
Yes, bro. I am owner of Hansda Live channel. But bro,
Yes.
I have a one question that how can you speak in English so fluently and confidently?
Because due to this channel, bro, many people keep on calling me. I talk to them in English language, and beside that, I practice my English language also at my home. So therefore, every day I having to practice my English language by virtue of stories.
Bro, what class do you read now?
Now I study in 8th class, bro.
8th class, bro, and speak so fine in English. I am really
Yes.
shocked, bro. Bro,
Yes. Bro,
since when?
yes. Before what? Yes.
Yes, since when you have been learning English?
Yes. I've been learning this language since 1 year, bro.
1 year. And you already
Yes.
learn very, what I say, there is no word to,
Yes.
I really feel very proud of you. And bro,
Bro, you should introduce yourself. Yes. Tell me about yourself, bro.
oh bro, my name is Subhash Hansda. I am from Dhanbad, Jharkhand state, and
Yes.
I am now studying, and I am owner of the Hansda Live channel.
Yes. Bro, can you tell me, when did you start your journey of learning English speaking? You speak very good English, all the same.
No, bro, I am really, actually, I am weak in English, but yet I trying to speaking in English with you. But
Yes.
I am when I was like 6-7 standard. Then
That time you were
the,
speaking very good English. Yes,
yes,
yes.
yes. That time
So
I,
yes,
bro, if we will speak regularly, then I, I thought I can speak in English like you.
yes, really you can speak, bro. You know, if you will speak daily, so definitely you can improve your English language. Just you have to practice in front of the mirror. If you think that I don't have personality at all, so then you can like practice your English language in front of mobile camera also.
Yes, bro. And how you how you practice?
I practice my English language in front of the mirror, bro.
Mirror.
Sometimes I practice my language in front of mobile camera and I record my video and
Yes.
then I listen. Where did I make mistake?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes. It is very easy idea to speaking, learning speak. Another question, bro. You are
Yes.
belong from a rural area. Am I right?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Must. You know, I am belong to rural area. Yes. My village name is Aprol.
Uh,
Yes. I am the nearest to the forest. Yes. My village is in little away from here, where I am this time I'm talking to you. That, you know, I came up to 1 kilometer from my home here.
oh, bro, you are really also a very hardworking man.
Bro, can I ask you one question to you? Did
Yes.
you watch my video? So can you tell me how long have you been watching my video, bro?
What? What? Again, tell me.
Since when are you watching my video?
2 days ago.
Oh,
From
that time.
from
And I
today
think
to 2 days ago. After watching your video, I regular search about you on YouTube.
yeah.
Jadu. What is your I research about your about section, and when I see your about section, I found your name is Jadu Kisku. Then I am very excited and very proudly feel because you are a Santhal community boy. I am also belong from Santhal. I am also Santhal boy, and Santhal boy uh, can speak in English so fluently and confidently. Then I really this is the proud thing of our Santhal community. Perhaps I can't speak in English fluently, but yet I am trying speak with you.
Yes, yes. All the time, bro, you speak very good. Your English is, and which can be a lot of fluency is very good. That, you know, and many times you have stopped to learn this language all the time. So after some time, you know, after 1 year you can around, so you speak so all the time very good English. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Brother, tell me another thing. How many people in your family members?
There are 5 members in my family, bro.
Oh, tell me who?
You know, my parents, my younger sister and brother, and myself. Yes.
Oh, you you are which position of your sister brother?
You know, I'm elder.
Oh, elder.
So, you know, and I said you will be wanting to ask me one question that what is your qualification? So, I studied in 8th class, bro. Yes. So, I didn't tell. I forgot to tell one thing that which can be my hobby. So, my hobby, I like to play football, cricket, and read book mostly, bro. Yes.
Uh,
Yes, yes.
beside studying, what are you do? Another?
You know, I do and many things. I do many things. You know, besides studying, you can consider. This time I having to grade the buffalo. Today I got time little bit, so therefore I'm not having to grade the buffalo.
Arey bro, have you ever work in a field like
Yes, yes,
like paddy field? Field?
yes. When it was month of December, that time I was helping to my family to harvest the paddy and cut the paddy.
Oh,
Then I put that on paddy storage.
oh,
Yes, that is the
bro.
nearest.
You are really
Yes.
amazing, bro. You are really amazing. My means amazing means you are talented in everything.
Bro, I'm going to ask you one question to you. That so many viewer, you know, as many viewer will have subscribed my channel and keep on watching my video. Most of viewer are not able to understand that. Can you tell them how should they practice their English language? So apart from you, please tell them. Please give them a suggestion.
Oh, yes, it is very good thing. I think you need to open one learning channel like English learning,
Yes,
and
yes.
and you regular upload on this channel, which is my means you open a education channel for
Yes, yes, yes.
especially on about English learning, because you are good in English. You know, everybody should to focus on that thing, where is their talent.
Yes, 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 yes.
And I
Of
think,
course.
and I think I also watch your talent is very good, bro, in English. So I suggest you that please open a education channel, and also I am your student on your channel.
Yes, definitely, definitely,
Because
bro. Yes.
also I
So I'm
need to learning in English
yes,
with you.
yes, definitely.
Yes,
Bro, I think that you are learner. You have become learner of English, right?
yes, yes, yes. Uh, this English is very necessary language, because you go a bank, there is also English. You go anywhere, like airport, like station, everywhere, and every place there is write on English. Yes.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. You know, English is going on in all world, and if you because if you will learn this language, so you can visit all over the world. Whether you have to go to like college, whether you have to go to America, Africa, and to bank, so definitely English is yes necessary for you. Without speaking, like how will you work there? Yes. And when you will be sad for writing, so how will you write? For most of people keep on saying too, there you know like who can be servant for them like in English language. So and you need to learn this language.
Then, bro, did you ever feel public reaction when you speak in English anywhere?
Yes, 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 yes. In my school, you know, some people had come to my school from England.
Oh.
You know, they are friend of the principal of my school. So they were speaking so fluent English language that I got shocked while listening them. And you know, and in between, the principal was telling to students of my school about them. You know, what were they speaking in front of us. But because most of the students of my school were not knowing English language and were not understanding. So, and you know, like who was a principal, he was making them understand. Yes. When they were speaking, who were from England. Yes. They were very fair men. Yes. They were looking like, you know, girl, but they were men. Yes.
Really, you are एकदम amazing, यार. You are Santhal. So let's we speak some word in Santhal, bro.
Why not? Why not? Yes, definitely.
तो भैया सरी की अड़ी बेस हम रोड कान तबना अड़ी रस्का बजुक कना और चिकाते मने क्या कि इंग्लिश मतलब इंग्लिश इन चीगा
तो या लॉन्ग टाइम कोई बोले इंग्लिश की आदि मोने था कि ना दो जहां बोले आइडिया बन्याम इतना चे हुआ इंग्लिश लगी चे इम्पोर्टेंट ग्रामर में आयमा दिर ग्रामर को एम का दो उना बई बुझे ᱧᱟᱢ ᱛᱟᱱᱟ ᱫᱚ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱮ ᱴᱤᱪᱟᱨ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱛᱟᱢᱤᱞᱱᱟᱰᱩ ᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱛᱚ ᱩᱱᱤ ᱟᱞᱮ ᱥᱠᱩᱞᱮ ᱦᱮᱡ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ ᱧᱟᱢ ᱡᱩᱞᱤᱭᱟᱱ ᱯᱷᱟᱫᱟर ᱠᱚ ᱢᱮᱛᱟᱭᱟ ᱯᱷᱟᱫᱟर ᱡᱩᱞᱤᱭᱟन उनी सागे जहां डिस्ट्रिक्ट कना ओडे कॉलेज रे नितो ट्रांसफर ना नवा स्कूल कोई तो जब पढ़ाई लेतना सेकंड क्लास सो इन टाइम तो उन टाइम तो इंग्लिश में चीज मैंने था दो आइडिया बानी मुकन था चीज लिखा इंग्लिश में रोड दड़े क्या दो इसके बाद उनी ले ले टेंस पे चीज लिखा इंग्लिश में रोड दड़े दो इनको की थोड़ा क्वेश्चन है दिमाग रहे ना क्वेश्चन
उना को मेन था कि जहां को मेन था से इन अंजम बड़ा कदा जुदी टेंस बेस तम चीज करा तो हाफ इंग्लिश दा मा कंफर्म एंत में से
डेफिनेटली अगर हम टेंस में चीज लिखा एंड वर्ब थोड़ा थोड़ा चीज लिखा इजीली काम हम चला दड़े जहां में काम चला दड़े
हर बार टेंस है तो पब्लिक को अब संथाल बया को लय को तबन में कि सरी के आम माले नेल के में कि जहां तना सोशल मीडिया करे जखन खनि नेल के कि अडी गी पॉपुलैरिटी अडी गान होड़ आम सते को कोलाबे कना वीडियो को बनाए कना इंग्लिश से गालमारा सनाय को चदा से आम उनका गे अडी बेसम रोड दड़ी तबन कना इंग्लिश ते अडी बेसम रोड दा तो ओना इयते इन हो अडी रस्कई बुझा करते कांटेक्ट के मिया आम और नवा वीडियो हा चैनल रे डाला तो नुई बुहा बन बड़ाई गया तो आपे यूट्यूब रे पे नेल दड़ी ते ची चैनल ᱧᱩᱛᱩᱢ गान बुहा
इया ᱧᱩᱛᱩᱢ चैनल दो हुयु कना इंग्लिश विद जादू
हाँ तो इंग्लिश विद जादू लिंक हा डिस्क्रिप्शन रे एमा पे तबना तो नोडे पे नेल दड़िया अडी गान होड़ नुई सते दूर संगीन संगीन खय लाइक का करे खन को कॉल आम तना बुया
आम जैसे हॉर को होइना डिडे हॉर को कॉल बड़ा गया जैसे होइना इंग्लैंड इंग्लैंड रो कभी कभी बात होई केना अदो इन वीडियो को भी अपलोड बड़ा लदा उनको अदो लहा नो थोड़ा गामर को कैमली ऐप रे तो इना के बाद दो मोस्टली जैसे होइना उत्तर प्रदेश होइना मुंबई तमिलनाडु एरिया कोय और जम्मू कश्मीर ज्यादा तो उत्तर प्रदेश को कॉल हजुआ और बिहार को
तो बुया को पे आंजम के तबना नई बुया इन पॉपुलर कान तबना बाय बाय ते और देबुन सपोर्ट आयमा और नुई सरी के अडी बेस्ट इंग्लिश से रोड दड़ी तना चलो अडी बेस्ट से बुझ केदा आम सते गालमारा कते और ना वीडियो हाई अपलोड तलंगा ना यूट्यूब हंसदा लाइव यूट्यूब चैनल रे अडी गान हर को नेला और सामांग खन जदी जहाती इंटरव्यू हजू कान मिद से मतलब ऑक्तो ᱧᱟᱢᱚᱜ ᱠᱟᱱ ᱦᱟᱸᱜ ᱟᱢᱴᱮ ᱪᱟᱞᱟ ᱠᱟᱛᱮ इंटरव्यू संगे हता तलंगा ᱢᱮᱱᱠᱷᱟᱱ ᱛᱮᱦᱮᱧᱟᱜ वीडियो नोडे ᱜᱤᱧ मुचाᱹᱫ ᱠᱟᱱ ᱛᱟᱵᱚᱱᱟ और ᱱᱩᱭ ᱵᱚᱭᱦᱟ साथे मा बनहर नता जोहार नांग मा जोहार